Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to buy cycle on Binance Alpha. So cycle or CYC just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it I will show you how. First you can open your Binance apps, then go to your search box here in top, then you can search CYC, search it, and you will find CYC on Alpha. This one, you can click it. And then this is the charge. It's not really bad, I think, for the charge. And you can click info in the top and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is good, 10 million, more than 10 million. So yeah, and they have 1 billion total supply. You can check also their website and their social media. And if you want to buy it, you can just click right here in the bottom. Then you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to CYC. Also, you can choose limit. You can put the price here. It's up to you. Then you can choose the amount. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.